Let's accessorize. We'll get a stamping punch. Set that there. Let's get a transmission. Everyone likes a spin wheel. Maybe. Denatured alcohol. Methylated spirits, as they call it in the UK. Normally dyed purple. Don't drink it. It's poisonous alcohol. That's way too much, but I'm going to add a little under 70 milliliters of distilled water to this bad boy. Whistles up so it pours freely. I don't know how much really goes in there, but they're about the same size. It's got a center column, though. As long as there's like 2 fingers of water here, it won't burn out the bottom. The water protects the metal from the seams from melting out and blowing up or whatever. So pretty. Lady Liberty. So back to the burner. I just put the alcohol in this little... There we go. That's rewarding. Burner is now in the firebox. Water's in the steam engine. I think it goes up to about here. Drain cock is closed, so it's not leaking. We got the whistle up, which that was to help fill the water, but now we're going to strap it in. Safety valve. Remember, guys, this is 130 years old. Ooh, the heat comes up from the center of that chimney. That's kind of cool. Safety valve. And then we're going to close the whistle so we can build up steam. That's so cool. Late night steam and chill. We got the Lady Liberty. Oh, so pretty. On Jason's Oddities. Water's in the boiler. Whistle's closed. Safety valve's on. Missing the original chimney, but you can see the flame. And this is just a burner. Look at the draft. Kind of pulling up. This is so cool. Gonna fire it up. Get it running some accessories. Not this one. Oil all these little juicy bits right here. And then I even got them in the cylinder. For the oscillating cylinders, you can kind of pull them out a little because they're spring loaded. And you get a little bit of oil up between these two. And then from the output, if it's simple, you can put the oil up in that little hole, and you can line it up so it gets to the top of the cylinder too, so it's extra oiled. And then it's heating up still. 130 years old, still works. Do we have a poof? Let's see. No. I just noticed in the last video, Houston, we have a problem. Look at that little... That's not good. Let it chill for a second. And relight it. No, it's okay. That back burner is wretched. So we're going to use this one instead. That was the sloppiest job. Alright. Start with that. Woo! What's that called? A vapor lock? There we go. That'll do much better. Much better. This one's the wicker, it's missing the center tube. I'll have to fix it. What a more pleasant experience with this burner. We're still heating up. No toots. Whistle. Safety valve is having some fun. Alright, let's see if it works. We got it hooked up to the little Flieschmann, like little cabin with a little water wheel. Let's see. Oh, it goes this way. Come on, come on, come on. You got this. Oh. There you go. So it's definitely powering this little stamping house with the water wheel. This is exciting. Oh, man. So this is 1950. This is 1890. You know, intrusive thoughts. Let's see. Oh, that's hot. Will it squirt? Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Let's freaking go. Ooh, that's hot. Oh. Wah. We lost power. Come on, go, buddy. Everything's wet. We lost all the steam from that little experience. So let's try a new accessory. Alright, I think we're good. Oh, I didn't lube this up. Fail. Oil. I added oil. Just pulling it up tight. And let's see. That's a stamping press. So if you need a hole in anything, let's let it run a little bit. Alright, pull it tight. It would stamp a hole there. Oh, come on, get a little more powerful. I'll let it get up to more steam. Let that safety valve really pucker. Alright, it's running along now. And let's get that transmission kicked in. Is it powerful enough? There we go. Stamp, 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 stamp. This is how you punch parts. You can hear the steam engine working harder. I think I can, I think I can, I think I can. I had too much water in it. Psychedelic steam engine, woo, woo. Psychedelic steam engine, woo, woo. Let's go. That's amazing. Look at it go. Alright, this 1890s dyslexia. Georgrs Carette steam engine is running at full steam from France. It's a German company, I know, but they started in France. Statue of Liberty right here. Little whistle for prosperity. I slowed it down a bit, but we're chugging. We are chugging.